Hello students, hello everyone. So our today's session is based on Scratch. So firstly we will discuss what is Scratch, correct? And then we will start the introduction about Scratch as well as the programming level, like how we can code any small things in the Scratch platform. Okay, so initially I am going to tell you about what is Scratch and why we are using this Scratch platform here. What is the need to learn Scratch platform? So Scratch is the world's largest coding community for children's and a coding language with a simple visual interface that allow young people to create digital stories, games, and animations. So in a very simple way, we can say that we are using Scratch to design games, right? To design stories. Like if I want to create some stories, so I can use this Scratch platform, and in which no need to write a big lengthy code in a text form, in which we can use a simple blocks, and by the help of these blocks we can create codes. That means by the assembling of blocks we can easily create codes to run something, to animate something, right? So today we will learn how we can access this platform. To access a Scratch platform, we need one web browser, students. Any web browser you can use it. Like if you want to use Google Chrome, you can use it if you have Google Chrome in your systems. But maybe some students are having Mozilla Firefox in your system. So you can use that web browser. Okay. So it's totally depends upon your system. Whatever web browser is available at that time, you can use anyone. So I'm using right now Google Chrome, and here you have to type here Scratch. Correct? And then press enter to open the Scratch platform in your systems or laptops or mobile phones. Okay, so you can access this Scratch platform in your personal laptop, in your system, school computers, or we can say that in our personal cell phone also. Okay, so it's a very free platform. So here is a link, that is Scratch, Imagine, Program and Share. This is the first link when you will type Scratch on the Google, correct? And you have to just click on that. When you click on the first link, you will receive the same screen in front of you, and in which we have two options, that is start creating and join. So you all have to select the start creating button. Just click on that and you will receive the main window of the Scratch platform. This is the main window of Scratch platform, and it is divided into three areas. See carefully. It is divided into the three areas. As you can see, the left portion, the middle portion, or the right portion, correct? So what is the left portion and what is the role of the middle portion or what is the role of the right side portion? So as you can see on the left side, this is the block palette. This is the block palette, or we can say that it is a programming palette also. Block palette is where the different script blocks are located. Different script blocks like motion, like looks. When I click on looks, you can see the commands are changed. When I click on the sound, you can see all commands are different as comparison to the looks, right? And similarly, you can see the events, correct? Control, sensing, operators. So all are the script blocks. And we'll discuss today what are the role of these commands. Okay. So in today class, we will also discuss the role and functionality of these commands. Okay. And now you can see the middle part, that is the main area where you can create a codes. Like if you want to create something related to programming, if you want to write codes, if you want to arrange your blocks, so this is the free area where you can create it. And on the right side, this is the designing area, or we can say that it is a stage area also, where we can design our projects, where we can create the designing part of our stories, the designing part of our animation. Okay. So basically, what is this which is available in front of us? That is cat. And cat is a by default sprite. By default sprite, or what is the role of sprite? So sprite is an image. Sprite is a miniature image. Miniature image means small image. Okay. So miniature image is a small image that can be programmed to move and respond to events and interact with other sprite. करेक्ट? तो बेसिकली क्या करती है ये स्प्राइट? अगर आप कोई भी रोल इससे परफॉर्म कराना चाहते हैं, कोई भी एक्शन इससे परफॉर्म कराना चाहते हैं, so you can use any kind of sprite here while designing. Maybe my thought, my cat will jump. My thought is my cat will jump. So this is the action. Cat is jumping, that is the action. Okay. So we can easily do by the help of code. Firstly, we need to design, and then we need to connect our code with the current design so that we can easily check out the result, like how our cat will jump. Correct? Now, for example, I want to add some more sprites. So here's the option to add some sprites. Like for example, this is a choose a sprite option. When you click on that, you can see the Scratch library is available. In this library, we have lots of sprites with different category. Different category like animals, people, fantasy, dance, music, sports, food, fashion, and letters. Like for example, I want to take some music equipments. So these are available in our Scratch library. For example, right now my thought has changed and I want some other thing like related to peoples. For example, I want some boy and girl in our designing, in our story, right? So here are some options you can see. Correct. So this is the Scratch library in which we have lots of sprites, but these are fixed. If you want some another sprite that is not available in our Scratch library, in that case, we have another option. So firstly, you have to click on the back option so that you can directly jump onto the main screen. Okay. And here are the option. Sorry, just go back. And here are some other options to choose a sprite from your systems. Like for example, if you have a downloaded image from the internet, so you can directly access from your own system location. Just click on that. And now you can see here is my downloaded images. And for example, you want to add like home icon. So just tap on it, click on the open button, and you can see it is directly available in our stage area. Correct? And if you want to delete, so here's the option to delete. Just delete it. And you want to access from Scratch library, you can access it. This is very simple. Just like, for example, I want to take an Apple image. So just click on that. You can see when you click, you will receive the Apple image on the stage area for designing. You can place anywhere where you want to place it by the help of just dragging the image. Correct? In this way. So before moving ahead, you can unmute yourself and please tell me if you have any kind of query related to this, which we have discussed till now. Anyone, if you have any query. Otherwise, we will jump onto the commands. That means programming. Is there any query, students, from Angel School, from Wisdom School, or from GS Modern School? Yes, students, is there any query?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Wisdom School, you have any query or everything is clear now? Wisdom School, you can unmute yourself and please tell me you have any query or things are sorted or clear.
No, ma'am. No query.
Okay, fine, ma'am. And GS Modern? GS Modern School students? Geeta ma'am, you have any query? Okay, fine, fine, ma'am. Okay, so let's continue again. So students, now we are going to move for the designing part as well as the coding part. So we'll design something small and we will relate the same thing with the code. Okay, so listen carefully each and every point because these are very, very important things. So firstly, I'm going to delete this apple because right now this is not my requirement. So here's the option to delete. When you click on this delete box, you will see it is directly deleted from the stage area as well as from the sprite list. This is a sprite list. You will add many more sprites according to your own requirements. So firstly, I'm going to set one backdrop. Backdrop, that means background. Okay. So this is my Scratch library. And from this library, I will select one backdrop. These are lots of backdrop are available. So I want this one, for example, forest. Okay. So this is the background image for my designing. And this is fine. One is cat and another one I want to take another animal because at that time I'm using a forest background. That's why I'm taking sprites also related to animals. We have lots of sprites related to animal. And now I'm, I want to take this elephant. Yes, this one. Okay. And I want to reset the position. I don't want to put the elephant above the cat. So I want this here. Okay. And then you can resize it. If you want to change the size of the sprite, you can change it. Like I want to take it 80 as in place of 100. And this is fine for me. Okay. And the cat size is fine. Okay. So let's start with the code. So firstly, we'll go in the motion block. And in motion block, we will use this move 10 step command. What is the role of this move 10 step command? That means your current sprite, you are providing this command to the cat, not elephant. When you select elephant, see here, your programming area is completely blank. That means this command you will provide to cat sprite, not elephant. Correct? So when you apply this command, your cat will run. Your elephant will not run. Okay? Fine? Because you are providing these commands to cat. When you select elephant, then you will provide another code to elephant. That time your elephant will provide some actions. Okay? So right now we are providing commands to cat sprite. That's why I'm putting here. So what is the role of move 10 steps code? So move 10 steps means your cat will move exact 10 steps in this stage area. So these are two here are two methods. Like when you click on this command, given command, your cat will run. You can see, but it's a very complicated, like again and again I'm just clicking on move command, I'm just again clicking on move command again and again, so it's very difficult for me. So what is the role? Here is the event section, and in event section I have one command, that is when flag clicked. So just drag in the programming area this command and put it here. Okay, that means you have to assemble both the blocks together. So when flag click means आप जब भी फ्लैग को क्लिक करेंगे your program will run. No need to click again and again on the commands. आपको बार बार commands पे क्लिक करने की नीड नहीं होगी. आपका entire code, जैसे अभी क्या था, जब हम फ्लैग हमने इससे ज्वाइन नहीं किया था, तो हमें इस पर्टिकुलर कमांड पर टैप करना पड़ रहा था, पर्टिकुलर कमांड पर क्लिक करना पड़ रहा था, तब आप अपना आउटपुट देख पा रहे थे. करेक्ट? ऐसे. बट अगर आप इस फ्लैग को इस पर ज्वाइन कर देंगे, करेक्ट, दैट टाइम योर action will perform by the just clicking on the flag. You can see. तो आपको सिर्फ फ्लैग पे क्लिक करना होगा. And if you want to do the same task will run continuously. So here are one more command, that is repeat. You will put this 10 steps in the repeat block, and you can add the value also. Like if you want to do the same thing, like your cat will run 10 steps again and again, hardly 5 times, not 10 times. So you can type here 5, and now you can see the result. I'm just clicking on the flag. You can see the steps are increasing. तो ये क्या कर रहा है, सेम 10 स्टेप्स को 5 टाइम्स रिपीट कर रहा है, दैट्स व्हाई आपका जो डिस्टेंस है, जो टाइम है, वो इंक्रीज हो गया है. ओके. और अगर आप इसको रिपीट ब्लॉक को हटाएंगे, जस्ट रिमूव फ्रॉम हियर एंड ऐड forever block means continue your task will repeatedly. कंटिन्यू आपका जो टास्क होगा वो क्या होगा, रिपीट होता रहेगा. तो यहाँ पर आप क्या करेंगे, जस्ट क्लिक ऑन द फ्लैग ऑप्शन एंड नाउ यू कैन सी वो टास्क आपके स्टेज एरिया तक चलता जाएगा. पुट बैक कैट, stop it, and now you can see तो continuously वो 10 स्टेप चलता जा रहा है, कैट चलता जा रहा है, राइट. So you can remove this forever block right now. This is the role of forever block. We'll move forward. Okay, that is all about move command. Now I'm going in the motion block again, and here's the turn degrees. That means your cat will take a turn according to 15 degree. Okay, just tap on the flag and now you can see the result. ये देखो, 10 स्टेप्स मूवमेंट है और डिग्रीज कितने पे टर्न है, 15 पर. ओके, यू कैन सी. बट आई वांट समथिंग न्यू इन दिस प्रोजेक्ट. व्हाट, लाइक जहां भी मेरा माउस पॉइंटर जाए, this is my mouse pointer. I'm going to show you in a full screen. Here's the option if you want to check your result at full screen mode. So here is the option that is full screen control. Just click on that and now you can see. And here's the flag to check the output. Correct? Right? And if you want to go back, so here is the option. By the help of this, you can just go back on to the main screen. Now, my condition is different now. Right now, I want go to the mouse pointer command. What is the role of go to the mouse pointer command? Like for example, ये जो cat है ये move भी करे 10 step, डिग्रीज पर भी टर्न करे, बट ये डिग्रीज पर टर्न करे वहां जाकर जहां मेरा माउस पॉइंटर जाए. माउस पॉइंटर दैट मीन्स माय कर्सर. ओके, सो हियर इज द ऑप्शन go to. I'm using go to command here, and firstly I'm choosing from the list that is mouse pointer. Okay, I'm going to show you each and every use, like what is the role of mouse pointer, what is the role of go to elephant, what is the role of random position. Okay, So one by one we will discuss. As you can see now I'm using, जहां भी मेरा माउस पॉइंटर जाए वहीं पर आपके 10 स्टेप्स हों और 15 डिग्रीज पर आपकी कैट रिमूव मूवमेंट दे, राइट? So I'm putting here first and now you can see यहाँ पर है मेरा कर्सर लेफ्ट साइड. When I click on flag, your cat will directly jump onto the left side because my mouse pointer is available in the left side, correct? And it will perform the same action, turning, with 10 steps. You can see. Correct? And when I click here, random position, then your cat will take a turn at the random position accordingly. Randomly कोई भी position पर जाकर के वो turn करेगी. You can see the result, correct? So the same cat will perform by the help of these commands. Now, one more option is available. We can set the direction also. See here, here is the direction point. When you click here, you can set the actual position of the cat in this way, correct? And now, what we are doing to move the same cat with the degrees towards the elephant. अब उसको क्या करना है? Elephant की side movement देना है. देखिए, ठीक है? Correct? So in this way, we can use these commands according to our choices, according to our commands or according to our thoughts. Now I'm just removing all these commands here. And I'm going to tell you the use of looks block. Okay, so here is one command that is say. What is this? Say. So I'm using say here. And now you can see when I click on flag, your cat is saying hello. Okay. But what is my requirement now? I want to put here one more message. Even you can create a duplicate copy also from here by just right click on the same command and here's the option to duplicate it. So you can create the same copy of the command. No need to drag from the live palettes. Okay. I'm typing here, hello everyone. One more command I want. So I'm just using duplicate option. Hello everyone to Bharat AI Labs classes. So I'm typing here Bharat AI Labs classes. Okay. So you can see the result. When I click on flag, firstly I'm going to stop everything because right now it is an initial stage. And when I run this program by the help of just clicking the flag, you can see last message is appear on the screen, Bharat AI Lab classes. Am I right? आपने किसी ने देखा कि कैट ने हेलो एवरीवन टू भारत AI Labs बोला हो? No. It is showing me directly Bharat AI Lab classes. I'm going to show you again on the full screen mode. Directly jump onto the last message, that is Bharat AI Lab classes. What is mishappening here? Because cat is not having any weight, उसके पास कोई वेट नहीं है, इसलिए वो डायरेक्टली इतना फास्ट कमांड को रन कर रहा है कि आप उसको रीड भी नहीं कर पा रहे प्रॉपरली. Correct? So in that case, we will use the another command. Like if I want to use only single command, then I can use say command. If I want to run hello, so you can see it's perfectly run. But when we have multiple commands related to messages, in that case, it is not working properly. That time we will use this message. Okay? With wait. कितने टाइम उसको वेट देना है आपको, ठीक है, वो आप उसमें प्रोवाइड करेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई एम यूजिंग फर्स्ट मैसेज, say hello for 2 seconds, that is fine. Then again we are using duplicate copy, and in which I am providing hello everyone. Again wait is enough for 2 seconds, and we are providing one more command, hello everyone to, right. एक और मैसेज हम प्रोवाइड करेंगे, एंड दैट इज वेलकम, या फिर डायरेक्ट बोल सकते हैं भारत एयर लैब क्लासेस.